Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will learn a new eye makeup look. As you can see, I have taken the purple color of eyeshadow and start building the color with the help of smudging brush. Now with the help of blending brush, start blending the color to the outer corner of the eye. Taken another color with the help of smudge brush, giving more depth to the color. Now with the help of blending brush, blending this color. Again taken the brinjal mauve color, giving more depthness to the color. Taken the brown eyeshadow, blending this color with the help of big blending brush. Now taken the maroon color, depositing it over the crease line. Using the smudge brush, now taking the pressed golden glitter eyeshadow from the palette UCANBE, with the help of flat applicator applying it over the inner corner of the eye or the eyelid. Now taking the Charm Walk Beauty metallic liquid glitter in the color of golden, giving a very natural effect. With the help of flat applicator, spreading it. You can see blurring out the crease lines. Now look the look after lashes. Going to do the under eye. For this I have taken the Charmwork Beauty Ka Kajal pencil in the color white, applying it to the lower lashes of the eye. Lower lash line. Now smudging the under eye with the help of smudging brush and the same color in the outer corner of the eye. As you can see, feels connected now. This type of eye makeup you can use it for bridal makeup purposes. Now moving on, next applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal to the lower lashes of the eye, completing the look in front of you. If you love our work, then support us. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Till then, practice every makeup. Or if you have any query, you can comment us in the comment section. I will respond to everyone. Thank you.